Hi guys, it's time. Yes, today I finally finished this super big covers here, and this is also the breaking my records in my shop because this super big grab and go cover in my shop that I never met this high price before. This one cost $350, and why this one so price so high? Then I will tell you why. Because the customers she have already made a YouTube video to me, and she also put in the Lecow in the if you search Lecow on the YouTube, you will see she have made a cover she want, and she made that by papers. So she's really awesome. She made a good paperwork on that design. So and my mission is going to make a real leather covers to her paper design on the video. So I just saw her video in the first time. I was so shocked because that is the super huge notebook, and will cost a lot later. And I talked to her and I said, are you really going to make this because the price is really high? And she said yes, she wanted. And I said okay, let's do it. So if you search the video on the Lecow YouTube channel, and maybe you will see her video in my channel too. And now we are going to show you what she want. Okay, so because she want a very big pen punch in the grab and go cover. So you can see here is a very big pen punch here. Yes, even my hands can go inside. Yes, it's really a big pen punch here. But because the buttons she want just run out, and the buttons she want had run out, and will wait for tomorrow. I will go get the buttons tomorrow. So I didn't sew in the buttons on the front pen punch now, but that's okay. We can see inside, and you can see just like this. You can see the top here and here, all the peacock letters here. Yes, because this is very important. She mentioned to me. Okay, so when we open it, you will see here is a big room pocket in the back. Yes. Sorry. But she mentions to me because I have to leave a space to here, because she want when she close it, and we won't see the peacock green in the button. So you will just see it just like apple green, just like only the peacock letters here, not apple greens here. So you can see I just made it. So now I open it. You can see it's a apple green back big room pockets here, and in the grab and goes inside, he make this to be a e-pocket here. So 1 room here, 2 rooms here, 3 rooms here, 4 rooms here. And especially this is too big, and the retailer choose I feel a logo in the inside is the best choice to this cover. So I my logos here. Okay, and now we open it. It's a very big room pocket in the back, and also this is a very big piece of the leather. So you cannot find a leather that is all perfect in this big in this big size. So here has a scar here, and yes, so because you cannot find a big piece like this, and you have to sure there is no any scar or no any marks in this big size pocket. So here is a scar here. I hope she won't mind about it. Okay, so now let's go open it. Yes, this is the A5 size notebook, and the room, because in the original she only want to make the letters in the pickup and in the apple green, but I tell her sorry, I don't have left enough apple green anymore, so please let us to combine the third choice of the letter. So she chose the new letter. Okay, so we can see here has a new letter here, and here is a new letter here, and here and here. Yes, and these two pockets and these three pockets, that's all I designed in my shop before, but this pocket is all from her design. Yeah, this is a big V pocket. Yes, big V pocket. This is her design. Yeah, so this is the just very big pocket, and now we can see how wide it is. This ruler is 24-inch, but it's over 24-inch. Okay, so we can see how wide it is. Okay, this is about 27.5 inch about the wide. Yes, very wide, very big. And there's a special way is here. She want also use it as a big wallet, and she can put a lot of things inside. But tell the truth, it's already very heavy, and I'm really concerned her how to use this big and heavy cupboard. But if she just put on her desk, that is no problem. Yes, so we can see here is a big root is between the two pieces of letters. Yes, very big. Yeah. So the surface like this, and the back like this. It's super big, and it's a trifold notebook, and with a grab and go cover. Okay, so I'm so happy I finally made this. Yes, because it took me a lot of days, and also spent me a lot of time and think about how to make this. But just today I make it, and I also destroy a lot of letters. Yes, just like this big pickup. I use 3 pieces of this big size of pickup. Just want to make sure it's perfect. And this is the third piece of the pickup letters, and I'm so happy I just done it. Okay, so this is the video today, and wish you guys will love it. And also you can go to Lecow and search the customer should make the video to me. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.